I wrote like 80% of that song.
Is it right for one to write a song for you and come out openly to tell the public, no, yay?
Because my yard, me the amobi. I don't know me professional now, me intellectual property. Na my me the impano. What stops me from talking about the thing? Send nimpano kra me jeans kakrana still. Ejuma na my yaman.
Hello, we're from the parkour to the rich. I hire fancy YouTube and subscribe here. First time in our Modernana subscribe our channel because we have a whole lot of goodies for you. It's in that we are going to talk about Kuami Eugene and Mr. Drew with my own brother, Cook the Traveler. Now, Cook the Traveler is I'm going to tell you so much about him. He's a fancy brother who also understands the culture. Tia culture and I say. Into your basing komo about songwriting. Issue about out and oya nana don kono so ya another fancy sister no ye the main interview with Kuami Eugene. Na Kuami Eugene belay claims there oye songwriter, another ghost songwriter ma oye Joyce Blessing in new song all raining. The marathon of Mr. Drew nenyum agania wudi bia obi ya na dia kwano so. Also, or throw 80% of the song. But it looks like people are not happy there, Kuami Eugene by out say. People are just not happy. Other section of the people so say, Ebe, Obia Yazam on a Baba Kono, so what's the big deal about it? So today I'm here to have the discussion with my brother. There, is it right for one to write a song for you and come out openly to tell the public, no, yay? And that day, because of certain reasons, ibinu wanyi binu mi yazama wana wa appreciate another wa acknowledge one until then you'll be yaza. Let people know that one yay. So I'm going to have that beautiful conversation with my brother Cook the Traveler. He's also a great YouTuber. His channel, he's going to tell you so much about his channel. Go there for great content. But before I ever start, in Nana don't Kuami Eugene Woodzi.
Mr. Drew, and Kania Hunda, you as you being an idea, Kwamina Metro hook nina.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Mina Metro and some part of in the second verse. Oh, man, tia, Mina Metro. And from, I wrote like 80% of that song. Drew hit song. No?
All right, I wrote 80% of that song, and I was in common Abba in the brother Ottonan.
DJ Pacorate.
The only traveler,
Mr. Obilai.
Fuck it is the foolish leaders now.
I swear. Remember the way me that's father at Chumaba Studios.
Brother, I believe the introduction I mean, you know, you have even touched the story already. But that would be said. Do you think that you're right today, Kuami Eugene member out, so that why be late clips though? I did this song for this person, I did this song for this person. And is it right for people to also get angry? Because Kuami Eugene about will be late clips there. You don't know, yeah, I don't know, throw yeah, that day. I want to know your position on an issue like this.
Okay, them I'm kind of medasibio, numbum now. Oh, the Ghana Funan Casano. There may be or me feed the Yentia. Oh, the Nimpebia sometimes, you know. So being in BB and I'll be a BB, Nase. Or the Babetu Gado, I do a minamia ya. What tag in Nimpano de Nimpano. Or you show off. But only the Damano, Osi, and Adamano Oba. Kuami Eugene, or your Jum Twin, or Bianum Doyan Jum Twin, apart from Jumno or Tono. Or sounds, another or create beat.
Yeah,
or sounds so strong, jump, like all your different kind of things. And see, me whose story now, I was like, why are people bashing this guy? Oh, there, sometimes, no, Obimu bash will be a feeder, no. Nimpa no ye bibia, why a bon but
Yeah.
was still war bass no nti botu maka de oyetan na watan na do ya abade
Yeah.
because my yard me dey am obi adana ye me professional na oye me intellectual property na my ye me dey am nimpa no what stops me from talking about the thing say nimpa no kra me genius ka kra na still adwuma na my aman my adwuma man nti me were right there baby amekwakwagina bia no me so me de betumi ho ana maka man krofo ehun de me nsan no adwuma ni ade a me ye ni mfa so abado imagine there what your music awards now was select that kind song or that particular song now okay yeah my songwriter of the year for that song be song with them one and what they dam award in the bama obi otron dom na obi otun dom na what dam award in the bama.
You have a point.
Inti Ghana funanka say ye bidodo problem made me who problem bia wo ho there nimpa no no otro ndwomen there Mr. Drew Mano or man credit another one man credit no it doesn't change anything he has every right to tell people or to say to the whole world there ono no otro ndwomen onye bone bia Kuami Eugene ye bone bia.
Yes, I think me one position. The reason is that Mankasa your brother Koye, one of our fancy brothers like that, has been treated very unfairly when it comes to or issue be them. Me assure you my yesem.
Yes, me my yesem.
And you there, sister Fianum, Slay Queen, Aswarden, on your Nigerian you be so your collaboration. I mean, a tall list of Enyoma sister if you are success is associated with Damenyumini or Ayesam and Otrowi. But the painful thing is that some of these things in a book streaming platform and Abrafon when you mean so Watum Wama slots are say obitro on your mawa. You should write the person's name there or your contributor, another or your songwriter. Upload in your man. What demanded them in Yemeni. But the sad thing is that most of the Ghanaian musicians in Zawatro no manan on them there say at the cash what day Cook the traveler and or tron your man what by allocating percentage of your revenue stream revenue amaninti and then there is needing asha what or tro you understand and this has been going on for so long. Are you some you'll be a project BB Damada? Are you some Latron no mama one? On Tron no more or young complete one with no voice, means more about 2 BB Orion or Zamo there, Rumini Tony Mensma moto win with the beat. So clearly not trading you panaka sana dreamy na no Zamo. If into me acknowledge though osimo si oma me ye the minimum na bia musumi contribution day kanwa then I think most of them are very ungrateful. There are several incidents obi wa kwakwaje award just to mention the name though ebia enwumi nyama nkote na me ye minya de minyin pem obo a minya de minyin pem obo me yi bo guitar yi bo trumpet na azan they don't do that. But Esha Brofo World Records man, Obio play a role in a project beyond or acknowledging. Minim Ghanaian movie director bia, I wouldn't like a Jumarian. Or you about needs in there. Ono no ye editor. Ono no ye light person. Ono no ye. Almost everything in the end credits, you know. Wasn't one who then won away. You understand? Inti or you're normal, there, people will come out and claim what they have done. Sabi, Benz for your car, one kade, Toyota no ye. The fact that at a car will be so that what car or your Germany car, not or your American car, it to me feel proud, kade, or your Germany car. No. Kuami Eugene, I try no mama, feel proud, nakade. You mean or your Eugene made it. Eugene or Troy. There was nothing wrong with that.
Of course.
You only get offended when one kasana in number one, you are not appreciative of what people do for you. And so, brother, I think
of course.
Watching your video, no, you were right with your submission and everything you said was spot on. Kuami Eugene say, Mr. Drew crowds an account. I don't know about that, but you see, people write songs for people and they feel there. I don't owe the person anything.
That's it.
Sinahona share. And no matter on what trauma my own, a bit till eternity on this streaming platform. And these are some of the mistakes one and were creative people in the past and they made it.
Oh, yeah.
They became broke for life. You understand?
Of course,
and so
of course, yes.
I advise that the next generation shouldn't repeat such mistakes. So, brother, I think this is going to be a short episode. I'm going to allow you to put your handles there and also tell my viewers where they can follow you and interact with you as well.
Sure. But before I may, my main can be kakranfa topic.
Okay.
Now the other cross I want to say there. And you know, no same crofone trauma on what wa. Someone anchor what you know what the hate here. Still no the vibes of the people who wrote the song no. Today I hear some Diana Riking.
Yeah.
It can imagine a question say me and you na me with the I hear some vibes na and what them type of na kind name.
I'm a original song on the this week I'm not sure that I'm may post original one I hear some more or the 60 fear. Much share may post na ma share original one so na ma 60 fear so yeah and I may post now
the man not
yes
the man not because we enim kwasi bia enim there obi atro ndwuma
that be
betum atro ndwum but ndwum bi ho obi tro wa ofi de asimasi we na ndwum ne suit nti memfa man no nto oya fell there at least bekada me nwe we na atro ndwum mamo me we no yeda mamo but Ghana for no pese mankumia na edidi janti de bia no ye pede bibia mbra ye nkoten ye nchen
de
bia so we the ebufu board or the
pa de bia some kram kai de dana se nazi a what wo ye won day. These songs were not written originally by you guys. But you see the power and inspiration and stuff in that. So Chinebi Dana sini roba bakade. Will you get offended? If you won't be offended, then so be a try your mama one. When you penny taking a shine, there's nothing wrong with that.
Of course, that's it. Now if you see outside the Ghana for no year to me support here artists no. Only the time on them the me. Dam artist we na me panasam nti me panasam no ye ndwom papa no ye bibi papa kra na ye mpada ye beka na ye ka won say ye san wo onya fine me ye dam wotuma wo ka de Kuami Eugene o wi ndwom oye de but in the sense no this guy is always making people remember yet ndwom tofon making them relevant by bringing that they are kind of tune no or the best and the best Crawford to Mikado. No, he's being creative, he's being intelligent, he's being smart. Now, if you so promote those old musicians, and I am for credits, young farmer no so now they are also encouraging on more.
Sure.
And to me handles YouTube near Crooked Traveler. Yes, Crooked Traveler or YouTube. On Instagram, Crooked Traveler, TikTok, Crooked Traveler, Twitter, Crooked Traveler, Facebook, I have one which is Crooked Traveler and one which is my original name, Emmanuel Zomelo Achrim Nensa. Indeed, Obia betume follow mo ona we hu bibi nketenkete aye so ye wo hona wa supporting kakra.
All right, in your bibi nketenkete, you're doing a really, really great job. I mean, yeah, but for fat had a bishop, but for had a bishop, you're doing an amazing job there. Just there, YouTube before what they be limited now, what they head. They drew bad on the phone. What's a fat will be checked out. Yeah, come with Juba Bada or Baba head. Yellow dollar now, oh boy head. Yes, sir. What? All right, brother. Thank you for your time. I'm sure we're going to do this. Regularly. This is beautiful. So we'll be doing this more frequently. Thank you for your time.
Mr. Medase, I really appreciate the recognition, bro. Thank you so much.
Bro, all the best, bro. Hey, right. Then we're definitely going to end here on this episode. Let me know what you think. Catch on me but man because obi yenaza kwa. Or from a parkour to the rich, aka the fancy YouTuber. Subscribe to the channel. Na yenzun komo. Bye bye.